I am using black and brown acrylic paints for the base coat of this project. I use my brayer to mix my paints right on the jelly before I roll it out. I'm careful to roll out a nice even layer. After the jelly is completely covered with paint, I start taking some off so there's no areas that are too thick. Your paint should be not too thick and not too thin. Experience will help you find just how much paint you need on your plate before you start assembling your items. Once you're satisfied with how thick your paint is, while it's still wet, you need to assemble your feather and the leaves. I like to rough my feather up because I like the texture of that. To get a clear imprint of your leaves, it's best to put them veiny side down. I'm using deli paper for this visual experiment because I will be able to see everywhere that I've pressed and it's transparent. So when I put the second layer on, I can see exactly where I want to place the print. Be sure to rub the entire jelly to ensure that you have a good transfer of your leaves and feathers, as well as picking up all the black in the background. Carefully lift your feathers and leaves. Now let it dry completely before doing your next layer. Now that the first layer is completely dry, I'm using a craft paint that goes on transparent for the second pull. Once again, roll out an even layer over your entire jelly. Now I'm lining up the previous pull and offsetting it just a tad so it will look like it's got some light around it to do the second pull of this experiment. Check out my other videos for more detailed tutorials on how to make nature prints. Thanks for watching.